How to turn on or turn off text message smart reply on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on message app. After click on message app, click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on message settings. Now in messages settings, scroll down and click on suggestions. After click on suggestions, you will see first option is smart reply. If you want to turn off smart reply, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see smart reply is turn off. If you want to turn on smart reply, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see smart reply is turn on. You will turn on or turn off smart reply from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off text message smart reply on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.